Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian Linux 13.5 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Debian Linux official website and download. It is debian.wars. Then click on other downloads. Then select, see here, the latest stable release at the time of making this video is 13.5.0. Then click on download mirrors. Go up. Then see here we have two types, CD DVD or USB DVD. In this video I am going to download this DVD USB. It is up to you. Then click on Intel or AMD, scroll down, then see here we have the Debian 13.5.0 DVD ISO file. Click on it to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 3.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then click on next. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse and select the downloaded ISO file. Select it. Then click on open. Click on next. Now select the type as Linux. Then version as Debian latest version from this list. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then click on OK. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then next. Now see here, these are the settings or the options that I have selected for this virtual machine. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. I am increasing memory to 4 gigabytes. Use this pointer or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Then click on OK. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on this edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Ctrl to release the cursor. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location. See here, the selected location will be used to set your time zone and also, for example, to help the system locally. That normally this should be the country where you live. You can select country from this list. If you are unable to find, click on other. Then click on continue. Select the keyboard model or key map to use. I'm in English. Click on continue. Now we have to set the host name or computer name. Later also you can just set it. This is just host. Okay. Then click on continue. If you have domain name, provide domain name. Otherwise, keep it as blank and click on continue. Then set the password for root account. Re-enter the same. Continue. Now we have to create user. I am giving user full name as R2 schools. Then click on continue. This is a username. Then continue. Now set the password for this user. Remember this user password. Later we need this password to log in. Then click on continue. Now see here the clocks, all are based on, now see the time zones, all are based on United States because we have selected location as the United States. Okay. Then click on continue. Partition disk, I am going to select guided use entire disk and click on continue. Select the disk to partition and continue. Select the disk to partition and click on continue. All files, partition disks, all files in one partition and continue. This is confirmation. Select finish partitioning and write changes to disk and continue. Select yes and click on continue. If you want to scan for extra installation media, you have to select yes, otherwise keep it as, otherwise select no and click on continue. Use a network mirror, no. I don't want to participate in package user survey. Select no and continue. Now we have to select the softwares. See, by default you have selected desktop environment and Xenome. If you want like KDE, Plasma, XFC, whatever you want you can select, and optionally you can select these also. Then click on continue. Now installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. Install the bootloader to your prime drive. Select yes and click on continue. Select the device and click on continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into your new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay, right click on this virtual machine, then go to settings, then go to CD DVD, then unselect both the checkboxes in device status, then click on OK, then click on continue to reboot. Now click on username and provide the password that you have set for this user. Skip. Now open terminal. Increase the font size. Now verify the version more / etc os-release. See, we have installed 13.5 and its code name is Trixie. Okay, control A. If you want to verify IP of this machine, just run ifconfig. Ifconfig not found. IP addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, control A. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian Linux 13.5 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.